everyone, and welcome back to another Fortnite video. Towers. I was going to go somewhere else, but I started too late. So I'm recording stuff up. Yeah. And today we are trying to get some shotgun eliminations. Yeah, it's cool people. I used to love going to the clock tower. I don't go there so much anymore. Yeah, that was embarrassing. I don't want to see how it looks. 4 health. 4 health. 4. Okay, that's. I love this map for some reason. I love it. Oh my gosh, the dab is really cringy. If you think the dab's cringy, put a comment in the section below saying dabs are cringy. Because they are super cringy. Never dab. We made that mistake before. Everyone has once dabbed. Okay. Right here. Oh, I really want the worm. I can actually do the worm in real life. Let's go to retail. I've been going to retail row a lot lately. Do that. Don't idiot. Okay. I'm just gonna go over the food mart. Someone else is already going there. One guy, 2 people. Am I gonna be able to open this chest first? Don't go off guns. No. Where is it? Oh, okay. No, I did because I did this stupid idea. Someone's right above me. Where'd they go? Through 3 clears. Where is this person? When you know that they're there, but you can't find them. Where are they? Oh, they're building. Here's another fight lost for you guys. Whoa, they're right there. What the heck? What the heck? Where are they? I hate this. There. What's the deal with the 1 health thing? Yeah. Default. Let's just hop in to another round. I know I keep on dying straight away, but yeah. Let's hop in to another round. Just playing some if you know that I have, it's pretty embarrassing. Not that embarrassing, but I have no solo wins. So I'm working towards it. You might see a solo win sometime soon. Probably not though, but you might see. You never know. Never know if you will. You should keep on getting better, but still not good enough for a win. I got like a round before I started recording. I got like 6th place, and that was like the only game I played. I got like 6th place. Really good. And I had a decent amount of kills for me. Oop. Well, okay, let's go over here. I know I should record the lobby. Let's give it a shift of shafts. I did switch my controls up a little bit. I'm just getting used to them. Okay, so if I'm not clean up building, there's a reason why. I find it kind of hard to use the controls, but it's super hard to scroll or press F1, F2, F5. Pretty hard. If I want to quickly place a trap, I just press G, and then you see, right back. Yeah, over here. Pulse. Shield. Okay. Destroy! Need this ammo. What? You were the one I picked that gun up. Damage me. Okay, let's go into the houses over there. I'm really low. I can find a med kit or a chug jug. That would be nice. Not that far. Let's go. And I know everyone probably knows this, but if you don't, there's some film sets. I'm happy to trade these two for anything. I'll only trade this for a revolver. I did. Okay. Get some more materials. I'm working on getting more materials because right now materials are pretty low. And I don't really like it. So. Okay. Right here. Someone's already been here. Hey. Whoa, what the heck? I did not want to trade that for that. Okay. Never hide there. Never works. never hide under stairs. It's pretty easy to see you. I really could use some minis right now. Here. Oh, yeah. So whenever you get to like second place and then there's the last person's a noob, which happens a lot. Nah, it doesn't happen that much, but when it does happen, it's pretty funny. Because you can just trap them in a thing, and then they don't really know what's going on. And then you just place a few traps. Which I like to do. Okay, someone's... I built. I'm a stupid noob. Doesn't know I built. Dang it! Okay, let's just hop into another round there. Let's see how that goes. I know I just play a bunch of rounds and never actually get wins, but whatever. And if you watch the YouTubers like Ninja or Ali, Ninja. So the thing is, they get like wins. If you watch Ninja on YouTube, you won't see a video without when it's posted by him. But he will know that he doesn't win every single game. Not everyone wins every single game, but this YouTuber named Ali, he doesn't stream on Twitch, so you know he does. And not win every game, so he just uploads only the game he wins, which is annoying. Not really, but yeah. I find it hard to win though. What's wrong with that? Something wrong with finding it hard to win. I'm floating! Yeah, so I said glitch with quote unquote glitch. I said it was a glitch, it wasn't actually a glitch. I said where the was like the bounce pad with the stairs and have hop rocks. Apparently I'm a noob that doesn't know this, but the bounce pad that's different from the old one gives you hop rocks to make it so that you don't take fall damage. Which I guess is fine, really. It's fine. But I thought it was kind of glitching. I was really happy, but it turns out I'm just get okay. Let's go in here. Just another pistol. Yeah. Lawnmower. Okay. I know I shouldn't place it there. I kind of want to place it there. The traps got buffed down so much that they barely do any damage. I think we need buff traps. Buffed traps. Get buff traps. Yeah, but we need better traps. Okay. Chest. Oh, highway. No! I didn't hit myself. One. I was sure. See that other person's up too. This house, I think I was in blue today. Okay. Where'd they go? Where'd they leave? Dang it! Left. They're still here. They didn't take anything. This was the house they were in. What the heck happened? Oh. Needs. Check those. I guess they left. Wow. I see them. I'm not sure if this counts as eliminate a and it's not be shores. But let's try and follow them. See right now where they are. No. Shit. I think that guy knows I'm here. Oh no. It's up there. Shoot. Hello? Yeah. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!